Can you imagine digging in the ground and hitting a gush of oil? Well, this guy lives in an area where oil deposits are just a few feet below the surface, so he doesn't have to work very hard to get it if he needs it for his projects. So this guy drilled into the ground and a stream of oil shot out. It was like striking black gold. He collected some in a metal bucket and placed it over a fire. Actually, the guy used solar energy to heat the oil. He covered the bucket, which is specially designed for this kind of work, and attached a hose that ended in a jar. The water distilled there while the oil heated up. What the guy got was a thick, gummy substance. It looked a bit like tar, but it had a unique consistency. He put the substance into a mixer. Underneath this machine, the guy lit a fire with wood and a little bit of accelerant. As the machine turned, the guy added stones so they would bind with the gummy substance. In this way, he obtained the perfect material for repairing a pothole in the street. On the sidewalk, the guy covered the pothole with a cement plate. He cleaned the surface very well to remove any dust. Then he applied a layer of sticky material without stones to seal the hole. He smoothed it out with a spatula. Then, the guy placed some crossed iron rods over this layer. Carefully, he welded the rods where they crossed. So, everything was ready to spread the material that the guy had made previously into the hole. He carefully smoothed it out with a spatula. With a heavy tool, he tamped down the surface to make it perfectly level and applied a touch of heat with a blowtorch to seal the material. To finish his task, the guy sprinkled a little lime on top of the repair before the material cooled completely. With a leaf blower, he blew away the lime. In this way, the material ended up the same color as the rest of the sidewalk. With yellow paint, the guy painted the edges of his repair. We don't know if it was to remember where he poured all his creativity and effort, or so that people passing by would look down. What we can say is that this sidewalk repair turned out great. It's a small demonstration of how the material to cover the streets is made and how potholes in the asphalt are repaired. Incredible, right? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative hacks and DIY projects.